Are you feeling alright? Don't you even worry. We're gonna get you fixed right up, okay? So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put these goggles on you, and these are gonna protect your eye sockets, alright? Because once I start moving things around, we don't want those falling out, alright? We don't want them falling out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put those on. So now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my handy dandy scraper. I'm just gonna open that piece back, open it back, open it back, open it back, open it back. We're just gonna and I just want to peel that layer off. So let me see, we're just gonna peel that piece off. We're just gonna peel that piece off, okay? Okay. Now that we've got that back, just want to go ahead and just scoop, 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 scoop. And what we're scooping back is all of that meat, the skin, the extra layers that cover up your real true identity, your true face. And then I'm gonna go ahead in there and just rewire a few things for you, switch some things up. I know you mentioned that you were feeling a little glitchy lately, like things have been turning the wrong way, your eyes have been looking here and there. I know you also said something about seeing double, so we just want to go ahead and recalibrate you a little bit, okay? Alright, so now just this last little section, we're just gonna scoop, 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 scoop. Alright, perfect. Now, I just want to look in there really quick. Just take a look, 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 take a look. Alright there, I think I see it. Just a little. We've hit metal. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So now I need to just go ahead and unscrew that a little bit. Get my handy dandy tool. And now it's gonna be a lot easier, okay? Just gonna go ahead and open you up. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and screw. Alright, get one. We're just gonna okay, it's two. When's the last time you got recalibrated? It's been a minute, huh? Okay. Excuse me. I didn't have my coffee today. those off. Now, what I really want to make sure that I do first is we're going to pull out some of those nasty computer mites, okay? Because they can get in there and they can grow really big and really long. So I just want to go ahead and just pull those out first because they also might be chewing up a few wires in there, okay? Okay, so we're just gonna I think I see a really big one. Oh, let me just, let me see if I can, let me see if I can look up there, let me see. Seems like it's a little further away. If I could just look at that, if I could just take a look. I just have to really get in there and really take a look. Just take a look. If I could just get in there, take a look. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to move it back just a little bit more, so we're just gonna scrape. Scoop it away. 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 Okay, perfect. Now, let me see if I could just oh my gosh. Oh, it's really in there. Let me just oh my gosh. It's really tough. There we go. Whoa. It's like squirming around. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you may have to take a dewormer to really get the rest out of there. I think you have to take like copper or something and it's supposed to repel them. So I'll get you signed up for that. Now, this recalibration, we're just gonna start off in the middle right here and we're just gonna move that over. Do you think you're more of a 225 or 3618? Okay. And you're fine with your eye color, or did you want to change that as well, since I'm already in here? Okay. Now, are all your mobility fine? Are you functioning correctly? You want the mobility of a gymnast. We can make that happen. There is going to be like a 3,000 extra charge on your bill today. Is that fine? Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now, how is your agility? Okay. Have you been having any issues when you stand near computers or anything like that? Like, are you finding yourself angry or upset near any of them? Having the urge to smash them perchance? Okay. We'll clear that out for you. Now, when you meet humans, I know they're pretty like prehistoric now, but when you meet them, do you have the urge to avoid telling them that you're not human? You disclose it each time. Okay, perfect. Now, when you're standing near these humans, do you have a desire to eradicate them and the rest of mankind? Okay. Let's get that out of there. Okay. Now, when it comes to your activity levels, would you say that you have the activity levels of an average human 20-year-old or the activity levels of an Olympian in their prime? A 20-year-old. Okay, that shouldn't be the case. You know, we were all programmed to move with the speed and strength and activity level of an Olympian, human at that. So you should be moving just a little bit more. Okay. Now, this is a serious question here. Have you been getting the urge to eat food? What type of food? Are we talking McDonald's, fast food, or are we talking high quality, intense steakhouses? Okay, that's understandable. I'll still have to go in and change it because, I mean, you can't digest that, but it's nice to know that you have a little taste. Okay. Just one more area. We're gonna up your confidence levels just a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Don't mind me. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put those screws back on you. Just gonna. Okay. Just gonna. Okay. Great job. Now, I'm gonna take that skin, those flaps, and we're just gonna just gonna smush them back together and just smoosh, smooth. There we go. And then we'll just cover up that line, marks, and just pat a little makeup on there. There you go. Perfect. Now you look absolutely amazing. I'm just going to take these off. Eye sockets are perfectly in place, recalibrated, and you are good to go.